If you're a small YouTuber struggling to come up with shorts ideas, and you've ever stared at a blank screen for 30 minutes trying to figure out what to post, this is the video you needed to find 6 months ago. I'm going to show you a completely free tool that generates 10 ready-to-use shorts ideas in literally 30 seconds. No sign-up, no subscription, no credit card, just ideas instantly. And I'm going to show you how to use it live, right now, on screen. Quick intro. I'm Gaurav, and I run CreatorIntelHQ, where I build and review tools specifically for small YouTube creators. Not tools for channels with 100K subscribers. Tools for people like you and me, under 1,000 subs, figuring this out without a team or a budget. And the number one thing I hear from small creators is, I just don't know what to post. Coming up with consistent shorts ideas is genuinely hard, especially when you're posting 3, 4, 5 times a week. So I built something to fix that. Let me show you. Here's the real problem with coming up with shorts ideas as a small creator. Most advice says, just look at trending content and copy it. But trending content works for big channels because they already have the audience pushing it. You post the same thing with 80 subscribers and it goes nowhere. Then you try ChatGPT and you get these really generic ideas that sound like 5 tips to grow your YouTube channel. Seen that one before, right? The issue is that generic AI tools don't know your niche, your audience, or the tone that actually works for your content. So the ideas feel wrong. They don't sound like you. That's exactly why I built the Shorts Idea Generator on CreatorIntelHQ. It takes your specific inputs, your topic, your audience, and your tone, and gives you ideas that actually fit your channel. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so here we are. This is the Shorts Idea Generator on CreatorIntelHQ. Completely free. No account needed. Let me walk you through exactly how to use it. You've got 3 inputs here: topic, audience, and tone. And this is where it gets different from just asking ChatGPT. These 3 fields mean the output is tailored specifically to your situation. So let me do a live example. I'm going to use productivity for students as my topic. For audience, I'll put college students aged 18 to 22. Being specific here really matters. The more specific you are about your audience, the more specific the ideas you get back. Now, tone. This is my favorite part of this tool. You can choose from options like educational, entertaining, motivational, contrarian, and the tone completely changes what kind of ideas come out. I'm going to pick contrarian because in my experience, contrarian content gets way more clicks for small channels. It creates curiosity. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, I'm going to hit generate now. Watch what happens. Okay, look at this. 10 ideas. Just like that. And look at the quality of these. These aren't generic. These are actually specific, scrollable shorts ideas that would work for a real channel. Look at that first one. That's a title I would actually click on. That's a short I would actually watch. And I got this in about 30 seconds by just filling in 3 fields. Now let me show you this works across totally different niches. I'll clear this and try something completely different. Let's try fitness for busy people as the topic. Audience: working professionals aged 25 to 35. And this time, I'll change the tone to motivational. See, completely different set of ideas. Different feel, different angle, different energy. And this is the thing. The tone setting is doing a lot of heavy lifting here. Same topic with a contrarian tone versus a motivational tone gives you completely different content. So here's how I recommend using this in your actual workflow. Every Sunday, before your week starts, open this tool, put in your niche, generate 10 ideas, and pick the 3 best ones for your week. That's your content calendar done in under 5 minutes. No more blank screen on Monday morning. Before I wrap up, let me give you 3 things I've learned from actually using this tool regularly that make it work even better. Tip 1. Be brutally specific with your audience field. Don't just put fitness people. Put women over 40 who work full-time and have under 30 minutes to exercise. The more specific, the more niche the ideas. And niche ideas perform better on shorts for small channels. Tip 2. Always generate with contrarian tone at least once, even if that's not your usual style. Contrarian hooks stop the scroll better than any other format. You don't have to use them all. Just look for the one idea that sparks something. Tip 3. Don't use the ideas exactly as they come out. Treat them as starting points. Take an idea you like and put your own spin on it. Add your personal experience, your specific story, your angle. That's what makes it yours and not everyone else's content. The tool gives you the direction. You bring the personality. That combination is what makes shorts actually work for small channels. Alright, the link to this tool is completely free and it's in the description below this video. Just click it, bookmark it, and use it every Sunday. That's all I ask. If this was useful, and I genuinely hope it was, subscribe because I'm building more tools like this specifically for small YouTubers, not for channels with 100k subscribers who can afford $50 a month software. First, the people still figuring it out. I've got a shorts repurposing planner, a title optimizer, and a content calendar builder all coming to CreatorIntelHQ in the next few weeks, all free. Subscribe so you don't miss them. And drop a comment below. Tell me what niche you tested the tool on and which idea surprised you the most. I read every single comment. See you in the next one.